Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to PostgreSQL on VPS using pgAdmin and SSH tunnel. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect to PostgreSQL on your VPS using pgAdmin and SSH tunnel, follow these steps. First, ensure you have pgAdmin installed on your local machine. Next, gather your connection details for your VPS. You will need the IP address of your VPS, your username, and your password. Open pgAdmin on your local machine. In pgAdmin, click on the Add New Server option. In the General tab, enter a name for your server connection. Now, switch to the Connection tab. For the host field, input localhost since the SSH tunnel will be set up. For the port field, enter the PostgreSQL default port, which is 5432. In the Maintenance Database field, you can enter Postgres or your specific database name. Then, in the Username field, input your PostgreSQL username. Next, leave the password field blank for now, since you will enter it later. Now, let's set up the SSH tunnel. Open your terminal or command line interface. Use the SSH command to create a tunnel between your local machine and the VPS. The command should look like this: SSHL 5432, localhost 5432 your username at your VPS IP. Replace your username with your VPS username and your VPS IP with the IP address of your VPS. Press enter and input your VPS password if prompted. Once the SSH tunnel is established, return to pgAdmin. Now, go back to the server connection you created earlier. In the tabs, navigate back to the Connection tab. Enter your PostgreSQL password in the Password field. Click the Save button to save your server connection settings. Now, you should see your server listed in the pgAdmin dashboard. Double-click on your server to connect. If everything is set up correctly, you will be connected to your PostgreSQL database on your VPS. You can now manage your database using pgAdmin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.